Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Another day at the bathroom. So before I left yesterday, I seen a couple seams that I didn't like, and I put another coat of mud on. So I had a couple here I could see, and I had one above here I could see, and a little spot over here, and a little spot over here. So I'm going to go ahead and sand those, and then I could do a complete cleanup of this floor, and you all could watch me struggle as I try to get this piece of flooring in place and cut to fit. So without further ado, let's get started now. Alright, so I got the floor down, minimal casualties. I think my trim molding will cover everything. I'm going to have to put a little piece of trim in front of the shower. The last one I had a little gap and I was able to slide it under. Not happening on this one. Alright, so I guess the next thing I'll do is put the toilet in, and we'll get started with that now. Alright, so the next thing we have to do is the vanity. And as you can see right here, he put the pipe, a 2-inch pipe coming out of the concrete, is coming up on an angle, like, I don't know, maybe a 5 degree, 6 degree angle coming up towards me. So I need to put this elbow on to straighten it out, and then this elbow on to bring it up into the cabinet, and then it reduces right here from a 2-inch to an 1.5 inches, which brings me to this pipe right here. And now I'm up in the cabinet where it attaches to my P-trap with this piece that rolled over here as a compression fitting. So it's going to take a little bit of calculating here. And I want to get my vanity like centered as much as I could within this wall space. So let's get started now. Alright, we're going to see how fast this thing will drain out. Ready? Hurricane Hussy. Alright, folks. That's all I'm doing today. Whooped. Came through here. I cleaned up this whole ceiling. Took all the crap off. Got my wires. Some wires run to relocate a third light. Pulled some stuff down off the wall. Caulk down here where the floor meets. I'm going to bring a whole list of things for Monday. Everything from the lights for the bathroom to boxes, adhesive, cover plates, etc. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Watch another video. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Choo-choo.